Hey, what's up guys? My name is Maximilian, I'm part of VizMaker and Viz Academy team, and in this video I'm gonna show you how in just a couple of seconds we can change materials in our exterior directly in VizMaker. Since we already got our first iteration made in VizMaker, then if you want to do some changes, we don't have to necessarily use SketchUp again. We can just simply prompt it out, or actually also use some reference images if you want to have even more control over the materials. So first thing that we're gonna try is to change materials from those two images into different colors of facade, and we will also change color of this car. So to do that, we have to press left mouse button and then type this prompt, and we will press make. We can also choose second image, and we will do exactly the same thing. Then let's try the other way around. So we can select this image, we can move it a little bit lower, we can also move this one lower. We will change this a little bit here. We will apply those images into another nodes, and we will insert this prompt, and we can press make. And then we can also do the same thing with this image, and we can move this one right over in here. We will attach same nodes, and we will use exactly the same prompt as before, and we will press make. And since we are gonna wait for those results to finish, we can take a look on those. So let's compare A and compare B. And in this case, I wanted my road to change to gray paving stones, replace the car with black one, add red plaster to the upper story, and some white grass on the roofs. And it kinda did what I wanted, but as you can see, this wood here, it is a little bit oversized. Let's take a look on the other image. Let's compare A and compare B. And in here we can see that my car was kinda already blackish before, but now it's completely dark, but it didn't change the model of a car. And I didn't want it to do so, that's good. It changed my road into paving gray stones, and I got red plaster on the facade and quite a good timber dark wood on the lower story. So that in here it's perfectly fine, but I actually didn't get any grass on the rooftop. Now let's take a look on the other results. So let's compare A and compare B, and in here we can see that it actually did exactly what I wanted. So I have a gray pavement stones. Also it replaced the car to the car that I wanted to be there. It perfectly matched the wood that I wanted to be on the lower story, and also added a very nice reddish plaster to the upper story, and also grass to the terraces, which is super good. And then we can compare this one and this one. And also we got exactly the same results, besides that my car still stayed the same, which might be a little error with AI, but we can prompt it out again and it should be all fine. That's how we can change materials in exterior in just a couple of seconds with those two simple methods. If you enjoyed that video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also don't forget to try VizMaker out. See you guys in the next video.